Hey guys, this is Ben, and I just wanted to make a video to show you how to factory reset your printer in case you ever need to do that. So first, what you're gonna have to do is unplug and replug in your printer. That'll reset it. And then while this says loading, while the LCD screen here says loading, you're gonna go in every single corner, starting with the top left, going clockwise. You're going to tap on each corner, and then a screen will appear, and then you'll hit the button in the top left that says reset. And you have to do it pretty fast. If you take too long, it'll just boot up. So I'll just go ahead and show you how to do that. So first, unplug the printer, plug it back in, then it says booting, so we go like that, and then you hit reset, top left right there. And then you should just give it around 30 seconds, and the whole thing should just boot up. And then you'll want to reconnect your printer to the internet by going to Wi-Fi settings on your phone, connecting to it, and then connecting that printer to the internet. Since it's factory reset, you'll also have to reconnect your account to that, to this printer, and you can do that by going to your account settings in the app or on the website, pressing add new printer, and then going here after you connect it, and then hitting the gear in the top right, and then pressing the account button to get that code. So yeah, if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to support@make.toys. Thank you.